So today we're going to be learning how to rewrite fractions greater than 1 as mixed numbers and mixed numbers as fractions greater than 1. So starting with guided learning number 1, part is to place 3 1/2 bars under the one whole fraction bar and then press line up. So we're going to go back over here. Oop, there we go. So we are going to first line up whole, and it says that line up 3 1/2 bars. So 1, 2, 3. Sometimes it glitches, so we might need to put another. Yeah, we'll have to put one more. All right, so we have 3 1/2 bars. We can see how we want to rewrite these in two different ways. So looking at the blue bars, we have 3 1/2 bars. So we can write this as 3 halves, which is 3 over 2. So we'll go back here. All right, so we're going to write this now as 3 over 2. And if we go back, here we go. We can also see that these two right here, these two half bars make one whole, and there's one fraction bar left over. So we can also write this as 1 and 1/2. So 3 halves and 1 and 1/2 equal the same amount. We're going to try part B. It says line up 5 1/3 bars under the one whole fraction bar. Go back. Now, our one whole. And this time we need 5 1/3 bars. Let's see, we get one more. Okay, so now we have 5 1/3 fraction bars. We can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 thirds. So we can write that as 5 thirds, or we can see that 3 of these thirds equals 1 whole, and we have 2 thirds left over. So we can also write 5 thirds as 1 and 2 thirds. Let's go back to the presentation. So we said it was 5 thirds or 1 whole and 2 left over. Last part for guided learning number 1. Place 11 1/4 bars under the one whole fraction bar, then press line up. So we're going to go back here. There we go. And clear. Put up our one whole. And now we need 11 1/4 bars. So here's our 1/4. I'm going to do it 4 at a time for that reason. So that was 4 1/4 bars, and that equals 1 whole. That's another 4 1/4 bars. So now we have 8. We need 3 more. Awesome. I'm going to put up another one whole because I can, there we go. Because I can see that these 4 fours equal to that one whole. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 fourths. So that's the first fraction greater than 1, 11 fourths. This also equals 1 whole, 2 wholes, and 3 fourths left over. So the mixed number would be 2 and 3 fourths. So we had 11 fourths, which also equals 2 and 3 fourths.